Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are so many job openings available from a bakery steel industries limited. So it is a premier steel manufacturing company with units in east and south India. So they have openings for the following positions in their Visakhapatnam units. Firstly, there is a job opening for liaison manager position. So within all government departments. So for this position, qualification will be MBA or any PG, and the candidates should be having minimum 10 years of experience and above. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager, HR and admin position. So for this position, qualification will be MBA or MHRM. And coming to experience details, it will be minimum 5 years and above experience is required in manufacturing units. And at last, third one, there is a job opening for trainee engineers position. So it is for mechanical or electrical or metallurgical candidates. So the for this position qualification will be BE or BTech or diploma, and you should be having minimum 2 years and above experience is preferred, and this is for fresher candidates. So as well as fresher candidates and also experienced candidates. So for this position fresher candidates can also eligible to apply. So for more detailed information about this job openings, you can contact them with the given mobile number, and also you can visit in the actually you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is hr.bst at bakerysteel.com. And for more detailed information about this job openings, you can also approach them with the given phone number, that is 9989588029. Next one, there are openings available from the Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy. So it is located in Visakhapatnam. Like they have released the notification for the positions of faculty and non-teaching positions recruitment notice. So Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy, so it is inviting the applications through rolling advertisement from eligible candidates for the positions of professor, associate professor and assistant professor from various disciplines in petroleum engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering and earth sciences. So applications are invited for these positions including a registrar, and also other non-teaching positions are also available from this institute. So interested candidates, to know more detailed information about this job openings, you can visit in the official website link provided here, that is https://www.iipe.ac.in/careers. So it will be the website link, so you please go through with information and go through with the link, and you can also search for more detailed information through this link. So interested candidates, you can apply to these jobs through this link. Next one, there are openings available for telecallers. I mean experienced telecallers. It is for female candidates, and also back-end executives and team leaders for a collection agency. And you are going to get incentives and along with the salary. So it will be the address. So you please go through with the information, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job vacancies, you can approach them with the given phone number. So the location will be the Vizag. So the number is 8074847300. Next one, there is a job opening for counter helper, tiffin masters and South Indian cooks. So there are vacancies available for these positions. It is located in Vizag location. Interview will be holding on 14th June 2021. So at 11 a.m. So you can check here with the address details. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about these job vacancies, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9848371559. Next one, there are openings available for sales executives, and it is all from SK Healthcare Surgicals. They are conducting the job mela, like they have vacancies for sales executives. For this position, qualification will be any degree with the marketing experience skills are required, and also good talkative skills are also required. So it is for Srikakulam, Vizag and Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Vijayanagaram locations. So 10 vacancies are available for these sales executive positions. Seat is negotiable here, and they have provided here the contact numbers and also the email ID to approach them. So if you have any queries, or if you want to know more detailed information about these job openings, like a sales executive position, you can approach them with the given phone numbers provided here. First number is 96520 Second number is 99599132777, and the mail ID is skhealthcaresurgicals@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available for female telecallers. It is for masterminds located in Vizag location. So qualification will be any degree, and salary will be good. You need to work for the Vizag location, and they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So if you have any queries regarding this job uh, position, so you can approach them with the given phone number if you are interested. So the number is 8008557071. Next one, there is a job opening for faculty to teach digital marketing and web designing for a skill development center at Gopalapatnam. Expertise and also experience is required for the candidates to teach these subjects. So for more detailed information, if you are interested to apply for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8897756802. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.